friend worked at an emergency ward, and this guy came in on the handlebars of someone else's motorcycle with his ass like hanging over, which is weird. And they're like, "Why is he sitting like that?" They're like, "Oh, he's got a light bulb up his butt that got sucked up, and he can't." And it's not broken, but it won't come back out.
Oh my
How
gosh.
scary would that be? And the only ride you have at the hospital is a motorcycle.
Oh,
He
no.
couldn't sit on the seat, so he hung his butt over the handlebars.
Oh
my
my
gosh.
That's how he had to ride to the
Boulder
hospital.
Hospital.
How
That
crazy.
is insane.
Sticking foreign objects up your butt if
But-
they're not a proper
I
butt
only
plug.
stick
A light
domestic
bulb.
objects up my butt.
How did they
No
get the light
foreign
bulb
objects.
out? Do they screw it out?
How many doctors does it take to get a light bulb out of a guy's ass?
Oh, God, I love you, Dave. How many?
I don't know. I wish I knew the answer. I'm guessing 3.